Jerry Service Center here again. Right, so we just installed some lift kit on this Ford Ranger. If you look at the photos, you'll see the photos before we install the lift kit, and this is the video after the lift kit. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. Let me just turn the phone sideways there. Yeah, so that is your lift here. Okay, so that is like a 3-inch lift from original stock. All we have to now is put on some tires on this, and we're good to go. This is the spacer here. I'll show you a good look at it. So after we do the lift on this Ranger, we're going to do our alignment to correct back the wheel specifications. And this here is the spacer that we put for the lift. Right there, right on the front, right. And we also replaced the new shock assembly with this, because after removing the shock to install the spacer, we realized that the bushings and stuff were gone. So talking to the customer, we decided to replace the shock assembly. Right, so coming along to the back here, so this is the lift. Right, that's the lift forward going in here. Good. So that's it on the Ford Ranger T6, T7, Mazda BT50. Right side, this is the left side. Good. Let me show you how it's looking from a distance. So these kits are available at Jerry Service Center, 45 Salam Main Road, Chase Village, or SSMS Marketing Limited in Barrackpore, 681-5161. And Jerry's at 671-0713. So that's the vehicle after lift. The next step is to put on some 35s, either like these or like these. So that's the lift here, installed at Jerry Service Center. Check us out on Facebook at Jerry Service Center Limited, or for wholesale or installation, SSMS Marketing in Barrackpore, or installation here at Jerry's in Chase Village.